Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.